Wow, you really don't look cool when you dance. It's frustrating, right? You could be doing the exact same move or the exact same choreography as someone else, but you still don't look cool doing it. It's like you're missing something, but can't quite figure out what that is.
Who am I? But we have figured it out. And not only are we gonna break it down for you, but we're also gonna give you a quick exercise so that you can become at least like 30% cooler by the end of this video. In this video, we're gonna go over textures and techniques,
Moving in 3D, not 2D,
committing your focus,
committing to everything.
and giving 90%. That's right, 90%. What does that mean?
90%, that's A minus.
That's an A minus.
Unacceptable. Before we explain what these 5 things mean, I need you to take out your phone right now and download the Steezy Studio app. This way, you can start taking classes from Steezy's library of over 1,000 dance classes for free. Because honestly, we can give you tips for days, but it's up to you to actually get up and dance. Luckily, the Steezy app makes it easy and fun to become a better dancer. Did you download it? Did you sign up? Okay, cool.
Number 1, add textures and techniques to your movements.
No talking, just watch and follow, okay? This is your pathway. You're gonna stick your arm out, you're gonna release your energy, and then you're gonna snap. This goes on 1 and 2. And we're gonna add some speed and power to the very beginning on 1, and then relax very slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, hit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
You can even do like techniques with it, like strobing. Check it out, like 5, 6, 7, 8. You can even do a waving one, like medium speed all the way.
See how bland that
That
is?
is lame.
Like
That's lame.
unseasoned chicken
Don't do
breast.
that one.
As you can see, moving through a pathway, even if you're clean and hit all the right points, that doesn't in and of itself look cool. Adding color, texture, and spice, that's what takes you from moving to dancing.
The sky's the limit. Believe in yourself. Number 2, move in a 3D, not a 2D space. When you're learning dance moves, we often see things like pictures and poses, but in reality, we're moving in 3D space. We're moving forward and in and out and up and down and back in with your mom because you can't afford rent.
Instead of just moving laterally from the right to the left and to the right, back to the left, I'm actually gonna face the corner of the room and step diagonally and dig in with my shoulder.
Don't forget your head is also a part of your body. So that brings us to how to look cool dancing number 3, committing your focus.
In my old dance videos, you can see my body moving, but my head and neck are glued just to the front. It's like I was practicing ISOs without meaning to. ISO stiff.
Oh.
Yeah. Here's what I want you to do. Tilt your chin. We're gonna try that same step touch again, but now lead with the top of your head.
Speaking of committing your focus, number 4, committing, period. AKA having confidence. Not committing in dance shows up in a lot of ways. You don't complete your movements. You panic or get shy when you mess up. You don't fully try to perform or act the part. You blah blah blah. You whack.
But hey, if you're actually not that confident yet, it's okay.
One way to help you fake it till you make it is to internally feel like you will look cool. And dressing the part can do wonders for boosting your confidence even before you start dancing. So if you want tips on that, click the video over here.
Clothes help you lean into those characteristics that are already in you that you want to bring out and highlight. This all helps you invest in the character that you're playing, because dancing is partly acting. It's a performance art.
To look cool dancing number 5. This one's gonna sound a little bit counterintuitive, but just hear me out, dude, okay? Give just enough energy, but not too much. Have you ever marked a piece and then watched it and been like, that actually looks better than when I go full out?
We're not telling you to hold back your power, but when you go full out, at times you end up overpowering the music. If you tell yourself to give 90%, not 100%, you'll actually end up matching the music a lot better. This is because you're calmer and letting yourself listen to the music instead of getting stressed out about the moves or having to give an over-exaggerated performance.
Here's your homework, okay? Since you're sexy and you already downloaded Steezy Studio, I want you to learn a piece on Steezy, and then I want you to perform it at 100% energy and record yourself. And then do it again and record yourself doing it at 90%. And then tell us how you felt about each one.
There was a lot in this video, a lot to think about, a lot to practice, but guess what? Look under your seats. You get another tip, you get another tip, you get another tip.
Here's a few more tips from some of our other videos. Your face is just a reflection of how you feel. So feel first and move second. Less is more, fam!
Double down on your weirdness. Messy.
If you want to practice being sharp, you should actually practice dime stops.
You're not holding your breath, you're breathing through everything that you do. And the same goes for dancing. Once you start focusing too much on the moves and getting nervous and you hold your breath, your movements are gonna look stiff because your body's not flowing the oxygen through your veins.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for dancing cooler with us. You're so freaking cool now, look at you.
cool.
So cool.
Cool.
You know what's even cooler?
What?
Is when people subscribe to Steezy's channel right here and then freaking ding that notification bell like your life depends on it. Comment what you want our editor to put Jessie on. Whoa! See you in the next one.